It's another Q&A Thursday, and it's Catherine, and here we go. Today is all about how to get the best headshot for your website, your marketing, your PR, your blog, whatever it is that you need to have a headshot. I'd love to give you some tips. I've done many headshots in my day, and I've had my headshot taken, as you can see on my About page. And these are the tips that will really help you get the best out of your time with your photographer. The first tip is to find a photographer that you really feel a connection with. Not just that you love the portfolio and the price point. Those things are important too, but if you don't feel a connection with your photographer, they really won't be able to get the real essence of who you are out on the film or in a digital. Nowadays, it's not just film, it's digital, so you know what I mean. You really want to have lunch with your photographer. Really, look for a photographer that you feel comfortable with, and that will make a huge impact on the image that they create for you. Number two is don't wear clothing that you're not comfortable wearing. If you're stiff and uncomfortable and it's not really representing who you are, take those clothes off, put something on that's comfortable for you, and that will help you feel more comfortable in your own skin, because it's already uncomfortable having a headshot taken if you're a little bit uncomfortable in front of the lens. A lot of people are. It's not uncommon. So wear something that you're comfortable with, and don't wear patterns. Don't wear anything distracting from your face, because really people are looking at your eyes. It's all in the eyes and in how there's like an essence about you that's being captured on film. And so the more comfortable you are, the more authentic people will see that you are. The third tip is to think about what it is you want to convey in your photograph. Are you looking to be more easygoing, lackadaisical, down to earth, easy to connect with, like a friend, or do you want to have a headshot that's more professional and conveys accountability and I guess professionalism is the best term for that. You know what I mean when I say that. So consider where you're taking your photos. Is it in a studio with a very crisp and clean backdrop, or is it at the beach with the wind blowing? Is it in your living room in your jeans and tank top, or is it a business suit that you wear to work that you're comfortable in a setting that actually represents that kind of atmosphere? So really think about that, because those things actually do help convey the message as well. And another tip is to flirt with the camera. I gotta say, when you consider maybe Robert Downey Jr. is looking at you, you might get a little flirty. So think about having fun with the camera instead of it being like something that's seeing the deeper insides of your soul. Yes, it does see that. And so when you are having a photograph taken, don't worry so much about that, because that's going to make you appear stiff and unreachable. Really, you want to just flirt with the camera like it's your best friend or somebody that you'd like to date, and have a good time and have fun. Remember to breathe. Remember to connect with your feet. Remember to stay connected to who you are. And when all of those other things are in place, the best photographer, the right clothing, and really knowing what it is you want to project, then everything else will fall into place. And for me, the best shots are actually not the posed photos, but the pictures in between the poses. And so your photographer really should be able to capture your true essence, whether in the pose or in between takes, or paying attention to all of the conversations that you're having during the shoot to really capture what's best about who you are. It is funny that we're looking at one photo of you to sort of say it all, but these tips will really help you get down to the true essence of who you are. I hope that you find these tips helpful. If you have any other questions about headshots or what to do in a photographic setting, what to wear, how to be, or what is the best setting, just email me at cj@catherinejust.com, or leave a message below. Leave a comment, let me know what's happening, what you need help with, and I'm happy to give you some suggestions. And don't forget to sign up for the Soulful Summit that's happening June 18th through the 29th. There's a link right over here, and you can set that ball rolling to get even more tips on how to live your life in a more full and authentic way. So thanks for coming by. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.